Meridian School, all of you know, is a meritorious institution which always caters to the holistic development of the students. We always try to provide good learning experiences to our students. Our beloved chairman, Dr. Vinod Kulkarni, encourages teaching faculty and students to use the latest technology for enhancing our teaching and learning. Your principal equally joins him. I'm very happy today to introduce a well-researched technique to all of you. We are going to see a demo using AR, that is augmented reality. We are thankful to entrepreneur Mr. Swapnil and Dr. Agarkar, professor from Homi Bhabha Institute, TIFR, for introducing AR to us and providing the latest app, that is Aries, to us. Today, Ms. Daksha, our biology teacher, will show you how AR facilitates and it is used viewing complex organ like human heart.
Can you see the 3D structure of the heart properly? We have learned this prior, that we have just seen the images of heart, right? We have not seen any 3D structure like this in the real world. At the home, I can't see this heart anywhere. Okay, so I'm just rotating it properly so that you can just see the pericardium, the outer covering of the heart properly. Just observe it. Then we are going to see the deep structures of the heart also, the inner structures. Yes, see the flaps, you can see the valve also. I have low down the speed of the heart now. Whatever the in and out of the blood, the impure and the pure blood is coming in and going out. The blue one is the, yes, students, the blue one is what?
Deoxygenated blood.
Yes,
Oxygenated
right.
blood.
Yes, right. Can you see the proper septum which is separating the auricles and the ventricles?
Yes,
It is clearly visible,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Behind that, you can observe that there are flaps. What are that flaps? That are the tricuspid and the bicuspid valve. Tricuspid, can you see 3 flaps clearly? Now you will be able to see.
Yes,
See now, there are 3 flaps clearly which are just coming and they are closing and opening properly so that the blood will pass through them. And in tricuspid, you can see the mitral, that means the bicuspid valve, there are 2 flaps. Now can you see the labelings properly? It will be zoomed, just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the proper labelings. Yeah, whatever the 3 star-like structure was the semilunar valves, pulmonary semilunar valve. Here it is tricuspid labeled as, yes, I think the heart structure is beautifully expressed here and it is very clear to understand actually. Yes, right ventricle, I'm just rotating it so that you will understand it properly. The blood which is going out here, which you can see here, where it is going from this flap? Yes, this is the semilunar flap. You can observe it is opening and the blood is moving out. Where it is going? Can you tell me? Through where it is going actually? It is an impure blood. So where it is going, Abhimanyu?
Kidney.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's going for lungs.
Lungs. Yeah, that's what. Right, lungs. Yeah, right. It's okay. Okay. Can you see the superior vena cava also here, through which the impure blood is entering, which is being collected from the body and then it will be poured inside the right atrium. Proper whole process of double circulation, the pulmonary and the systemic both.